Alicia.
No, Sam. Wait until we get outside.
3, 2, 1, go! Sam, are you okay?
Sam?
Hi, my name is Sam, and I've got a broken leg. I don't know why, but things like this always seem to happen to me. Sam, keep your eye on the ball! 5 minutes left, everyone. Time's up, everybody. Oh, Sam. See what I mean? I'm a pretty good guy. I help my brother and sister with their homework. And I always do the washing up. Why do these things always happen to me?
Mum always says don't play ball in the house. Mum's favourite vase!
I feel like I've forgotten something.
You've been making lots of careless mistakes lately, Sam. You must learn to be more sensible.
Unacceptable, Sam. And you broke Mum's favourite vase. And you ruined my favourite comic book.
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Here, Sam, and brought your footage.
Thanks.
What happens?
Nothing, Mr. Rabbit. Wow, what if I can rewind my past to fix my mistakes in life?
Time's up.
Well done, Sam.
I must choose wisely.
Mum always says don't play ball in the house.
Okay, whatever. I have to wear this boot for 8 more weeks. Alicia.
You just got your cast removed.
Yeah, think before you act, mate.
It's not like you can go back in time and fix it.
Okay, we'll race in the playground. So I guess you could say I've learnt my lesson.
Come on, Sam.